Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my living room decorate with me for Halloween 2021. I'm so excited and I wanted to show you that this is the living room now. What we are going to be doing today is creating a spooky enchanted forest. I wanted to have a swarm of bats coming out of the garland and spiders taking over. It's going to be so much fun. If you love decorating for Halloween, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Okay, I grabbed a few things and I put them on the table. I kind of just like to lay everything out before I start decorating, just so I know like what I have left. The reason why you see so many pieces on here is because I also have my bookshelves in the living room that I have to style. So I try to pull like a lot of pieces. My hope is, because my living room has a lot of orange in it, that I can just add a bunch of touches of the different black pieces of decor, and that will make it more spooky for Halloween, because my youngest is actually kind of afraid of the dining room. So I'm hoping that if we don't make the living room as creepy, maybe she'll be okay with that. So we'll have to see. But definitely lots of bats and just a cute like little black pieces. But these are the ones I'm going to be using. I still have these from the pack that I received from Meyer's. If you haven't seen my last video, I'll link it down below so you could check that out.
We drove to New Jersey. Your eyes sing, I'll be worried. You said it was nothing.
I started over the fireplace with the bats. I wanted to make them look like they were coming out of the forest, in this case the garland. But before we go any further, I wanted to mention today's video is in collaboration with my beautiful friend Kaylee Jump. Kaylee is a new content creator here on YouTube, and if you guys love my home and decor, you will love Kaylee's channel. She is a married mama of two beautiful girls. She lives right near Disney World in Florida. She created a lot of cleaning and decorating videos. Kaylee even likes to decorate her mother-in-law's house every season, so you get double the decorating on her channel. I would love for you guys to check her out, so when you are done, make sure you head over to Kaylee's channel. I will have the link down below in the description box, and let her know Ashley sent you. So now I am readjusting the bats. They looked too straight to me and too overdone. You want them to look a little bit more sporadic, almost like something spooked them and they are fleeing out of the forest.
Tonight, baby, can we see this as a lesson? Then maybe we should open up the sorrow of us.
If you are here from Kaylee's channel, welcome. I'm so glad you are here. Or if you stumbled across my video today because you love Halloween decorating, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Ashley. I live in Michigan. I'm a married mama of two girls. I am so excited that it is finally the holiday season. This is only my second year decorating for Halloween, but I am Christmas obsessed. I love making everything homemaking, cleaning, decorating. So if that is what you are into, I would love for you to stick around, hit that subscribe button, and become a part of my YouTube family. Next, I'm using these spiders from Dollar Tree. I am actually using the same twist ties that they use to hold them in the package to secure them to the garland. I used 4 large spiders to cover the length of the garland, and then I added in 4 small spiders to fill in.
It's like we don't know how to talk without the flames getting higher. You hear when I'm in, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect.
So my next Halloween decorating video will be my kitchen and entryway, so make sure that you're on the lookout for that. But I wanted to know, do you guys think I should add some spider webs to the garland and to the bookshelves? I wasn't sure if it was going to look too cluttered and too much of a mess, but let me know what you think in the comments down below.
I took a
All of these pieces that I am adding in, minus the witch's boots and the skull, those belong to my mom, but the rest I got from Dollar Tree.
You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving this? Spending every minute together. I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like...
Now I'm heading over to this side table. I'm going to declutter all of this fall decor. Then I'm going to use a little bit of water and my e-cloth to wipe everything down. I only wanted to add a couple pieces in. I still need this table to be super functional. If you follow me over on Instagram, I do a ton of movie nights with my family, especially now that it's cold here in Michigan. They definitely got the memo. It has been in the 50s, so we've been opening the windows and watching movies, eating popcorn. So I wanted to make sure I left tons of room on this table for snacks. I mentioned in my last video that Mien's Home sent me this amazing Halloween pack I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. You guys, I had not opened up these bats yet in the last video when I first showed it to you because I used the lace for my table runner for my spooky dining room. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. Oh my gosh, it turned out so cute. I really loved it. But these bats were such high quality. I was blown away. Just like the lace, just like all of the pieces included. I think it came with like 3 or 4 packs of bats. And I don't know about you guys, but I usually get my bats on Amazon and they're normally like $8.99 a pack. This entire kit with the lace, with the Happy Halloween, bats and everything is $24.99. I'm gonna have it linked in my description box because I love saving money, and any way I can, this kit will definitely do that and have your house looking beautiful for Halloween. Okay, now I am just going to quickly go through and vacuum because there is glitter and stuff everywhere. And then as I finish up, I want to show you guys a tour of the living room.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice.
When I am finished vacuuming, I just wanted to take a little bit of my favorite room spray. This is Sweater Weather from Bath & Body Works. We had the windows open. It was feeling so crisp and cool in here, very fall-like. So I wanted to show you a before of the living room. Then I'm going to show you the after. Make sure you stick around to the end because if you follow me on Instagram, I get so many messages from people telling me that they love how cozy and fun my living room looks like at night. So I wanted to show you guys what this room is going to look like lit up at night for Halloween. I love the way that this room turned out. It was exactly how I was envisioning it. Let me know if you think I should add those spider webs in, and let's look at the room at nightfall. hope you guys loved this video. I hope it gave you a ton of inspiration for your Halloween decor. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you check out Kaylee Jump's video. I love the way she decorated for Halloween. I will see you guys next week in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.